नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Honorable President, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I feel honored to express my views on an important and meaningful day, Labor Day. This day celebrated on the 1st of May every year is not just a date on the calendar. It is a tribute to the hardworking individuals who form the backbone of our society. Yet, ironically, those who build the world around us often remain neglected. The hands that build can also bless, yet go unnoticed in their stress. Labor Day reminds us of the sacrifices and struggles of workers who laid down their lives for fair wages, reasonable working hours, and human dignity. The roots of this day go back on the 1886 Chicago labor movement, where workers raised their voices for their rights. It is a day to remember that justice was earned, not gifted. All labor that uplift humanity has dignity and importance, said by Martin Luther King. My friends, a laborer is not just a worker, he is an artist who molds the raw earth into masterpieces. He is the silent builder of nations, the unseen hero of progress. Yet he is often underpaid, worked over, and underappreciated. We must reflect on whether we are doing enough to value his efforts. He builds places with blisters hands, yet sleeps beneath the stars and sands. Dear audience, our religion too emphasizes and justice towards workers. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Pay the workers his wage before his sweat dries." This single statement speaks volume about the value of labor and urgency of justice. There is no shame in honest labor, but there is shame in ignoring the labor. In today's world, we see skyscrapers touching the sky, vast highways stretching across countries, and fields blooming with crops. But behind all, there are tied hands and broken backs. It is time to not only celebrate Labor Day, but with speeches and slogans, but also to implement policies that ensure safety, fair wages, and respect. A worker is not just a cog in the machine, he is the heartbeat of progress unseen. It is a better truth that often the laborer himself does not even get a day off on Labor Day. While we enjoy ceremonies, the one in whose name is it celebrated remains on duty. It is hypocrisy. We need to recognize and change this action and accountability. The one who fears not death fears hunger most, for he returns with empty hands to his host. My message today is simple: respect labor, pay fairly, treat kindly. The strength of a nation lies not just in its weapons and leaders, but in its workers. The one who moves the wheel of time forward with sweat and silence. Nations rise with hands that toil, not with gold or royal soil. In conclusion, let us make a promise, not just to celebrate Labor Day once a year, but to uphold the rights of labor every single day. Let their pain not go unnoticed. Let their efforts not go unpaid. Together, let's build a world where dignity of labor is more than just a slogan. The future rests not in marble halls, but in hands that carry bricks and walls. Thank you.